A Narrandera farm is doing its bit to help save an Australian icon. Koalas could be extinct by 2050 without more conservation efforts.
Over 150 hectares of eucalyptus paradise, a protected woodland and perfect home for these Australian icons.
Particularly property like Allandale that's got really good water, really good habitat, old growth trees.
It's been over a year since the Biodiversity Conservation Trust purchased part of this farm. They've been working to turn it into a koala oasis, trying to bring back numbers.
We've created this restoration project here, which will increase the number of trees, allow the koalas to move more freely in the landscape.
Just protects habitat into the future for them and allows connectivity through the river corridor and through to the parks next door.
In the last couple of years, experts have predicted that koalas could become extinct as early as 2050. Deforestation, disease and climate change are all contributing to their decline. It's properties like Allandale which are trying to turn the tide.
Having these properties that connect up the public reserves is absolutely fantastic for our koalas.
Narrandera's koala population is disease-free and genetically diverse, and although they may be hard to spot, there is estimated to be more than 300 in the area.
They're not only a conservation success story and a reintroduction success story, but they really are hope for the future for koalas.
The BCT says they won't be holding onto this property forever and will eventually sell it to a buyer who will continue with the conservation.
This property will go on the market from our Revolving Fund in the near future, and we'll work towards finding a buyer who is keen to balance both conservation and production.
Amy O'Halloran, 7 News.